Here's an explanation of homework problem 873. They give us the equation y equals 2x squared minus 16x plus 30, and then they tell us that the x-intercepts are the points 3, 0 and 5, 0. The next question asks us, what is the x-coordinate of the vertex? So I'm looking for the vertex. And what we learned about parabolas and quadratic equations is that the vertex is always exactly halfway between the two x-intercepts. So if I want to find the halfway point of 3 and 5, well, this one's pretty easy because 3 and 5 you can just figure out. Those are 2 apart, so 4 is halfway in between. So the x-coordinate is 4. If you weren't quite so sure as to what that was, by just looking at it like we could do with this one, what you can do is you can find the average of the x's. So if I find the average of two numbers, I add them together, and then since there are 2 of them, I divide by 2. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4. So you see it gave me the same answer. So if you have x-coordinates that you don't know right off the bat what's halfway between them, that's a way that you could do it. But since these were just 3 and 5, I know that 4 is halfway in between. Okay, now the next part says use your answer to part A to find the y-coordinate of the vertex. The way I'm going to do that is I am going to plug 4 into my equation for x. So I'm going to write y equals 2 times 4 squared minus 16 times 4 plus 30. So now I'm going to get out my calculator and I'm going to put this directly into my calculator. 2 times 4 squared minus 16 times 4 plus 30. And my calculator tells me that that is -2. So that means y is -2. So if I want to write that out as a ordered pair, the x-coordinate comes first, so 4, and the y-coordinate comes second, -2.